Hello, so today we are starting with module 6 topic viruses and worms. So first of all, let us understand what exactly are viruses and worms. They are the type of malicious softwares which are capable to replicate themselves or copy the contents many times or even modify the system settings. So basically, they are that type of malicious softwares which repeat the data or change it. Now, let us understand what is the basic difference between a virus and a worm. So, a virus will need a host program to propagate or spread itself, whereas a worm does not need host. It can propagate independently, but it propagates slowly as compared to the virus. Now, virus infects system without priorly informing the user the activities like deletion of a file, halting of system, etc. Now, a virus can affect the system mildly or it can affect it very severely. So severe effects may be like denial of service. Mild effects may be just affecting a small set of data. Now let us see the different types of virus. So the first one is boot sector virus. So basically we know that all the disks and even the hard disk contains different sectors, and the first sector is called the boot sector. This boot carries the master boot record, which is used to read and load operating system. The virus will infect this boot and thereby affect the operating system. The next type of virus is the program virus. So a program virus gets active only when the program containing this virus is executed or opened. It will start copying itself, and then it can affect the other programs as well. So boot sector virus is the one which affects the operating systems, whereas program virus is the one which gets activated when the infected program is executed, and once it is activated it can affect the other programs as well. Now the third type is basically the hybrid of both this boot and program virus. It is called multipartite virus. It infects the program files, as well as when this virus is active, it will infect the boot sector as well. Hence, it's a hybrid of the two. The next type of virus is stealth virus. Dubbed brain, the first computer virus was of this type, stealth virus. It basically tries to disguise itself so that the antivirus may not be able to recognize it. It can alter the file size, it can change the file memory, and so on. The next type of virus is the polymorphic virus. So basically it keeps changing itself or its pattern or signature to get undetected. Basically it acts like a chameleon. They are not actual virus, but they are the files in which the virus is stored. The next type of virus is the macro virus. So applications like Microsoft Word, Excel, Sheets have macro supportive languages. These virus infects the victims every document once it gets into the system. So such type of viruses will affect all the files which use macro supportive languages. So well, these are the various types of viruses which we have seen. let us see the different type of worms. So the first type of computer worms is email worms. It spreads through the infected email into the system and then affects the entire system. So we have to be sure of the sender before we download any file received through a email. Next is the instant messaging worms. It can spread by sending links to contact list of instant messaging application. So now there are instant messaging worms and there are internet worms. So instant messaging worms are spread basically by sending links to the contact list, whereas internet worms, they will scan all the network resources, and if they find a loophole or if they find it vulnerable, it will take advantage and try to gain access. So that is the difference between basically instant messaging worms and internet worms. The next type of worms are IRC worms. The full form is Internet Relay Chat. It basically places a copy of itself through a link in infected websites. So that's Internet Relay Chat. The next type is file sharing network worms. It places a copy of itself in a folder which is shareable, and then it spreads via P2P network. So as we can see, the last three worms, or rather last two, IRC and file sharing. So basically both of them are, basically they are having a copy of themselves, and once it is shared, it spreads. Email worms are also similar to IRC and file sharing. Only thing is the medium is email, whereas in IRC it is internet, and in file sharing network it is the network itself. So these are the different type of worms. Now one important question again comes is difference between virus and worms. I just told you about the basic difference, but in exam you might be asked distinguish between virus and worms. So I'll share that in the form of PDF with you. It is very similar to what we have discussed in this lecture. So in the next lecture we will be discussing the different type of other malwares like Trojans and rootkits. Thank you.